Wheel life, is this wheel life? Boom, fire's lit. We're having a last minute gathering of the sofre have seen. Sofre means tablecloth. In Iran we eat on the floor, so we just drop the tablecloth on the carpet. Sofre have seen is the tablecloths with the 7 scenes. What is a scene? Scene is the letter S. In Persian we have 3 letters S. The difference is that you know by experience that what type of S you should use in a word. So you have 7 objects. We start with a scene. Sa'at, which means watch or time. Seeb, which is apple. Sir, which is garlic. Sabzi, which is
And this sombol.
Sombol, which is like flowers. We're doing it on the go, like Mad Max Road Rage style. The egg with the hearts, which is sorg. So I don't know all the history. I'm gonna get back to that. Sarah's gonna do the history.
So I still can't work out why we have a watch, which is Sa'at, but Sabze represents rebirth. That's the green stuff. Samanu, maybe that's why we have Sa'at. We don't have Samanu. Represents wealth and abundance, so we're all going to be poor and broke ass. Senjit represents love. Senjit, we don't have any either. Seed, garlic, medicine and good health. So we'll be poor and broke ass, healthy people with no love. Okay. Soma, do we have Soma?
I think so, yeah.
No. Soma represents sunrise or light overcoming dark.
No!
Serke represents age and patience.
So we're gonna be healthy old sour people.
Yeah. We have Quran instead of Hafiz. We don't have a mirror, we don't have candles. We didn't want to steal.
We have a candle there.
Oh, we have candles.
Upgrades. Probably we also have a mirror, right?
We have a mirror somewhere. We can get a bowl of water and we can get some bread.
What is the mirror for?
Additional items.
You suck, Wikipedia.
And no one seems to know why there's a watch or coins.
Or eggs.
Or eggs. I think we can't work out what the watch or the coins are for. So
Nicole is integrating into Persian culture. Strawberry also seen. Strawberry also seen.
Tohme starts with an S.
Sunflower seed.
This is RG. We will replace it with
Oh, she found a more beautiful apple. Now I guess
Strawberry هم سین داره.
نه دیگه باید میوه باشه دیگه سخت نگیرین من ریسرچ میکنه شما
My mom is not amused by the rules of Hafsin. Now the history of the dude.
Oh, the history. Okay.
So it literally means new day and it's celebrated on the vernal equinox in spring. Apparently it's the rejuvenation of nature, the beginning of new life, and was first celebrated when Shah Jamshid celebrated the first spring after the Ice Age.
Ice Age!
Ice Age! The law are technically different things, so new day and new year. What is that?
Nowruz is the day of the new year.
Yeah, so Nowruz doesn't link to any religion. It doesn't link to like old spiritual beliefs. It's literally when this dude was like, yay, no more Ice Age, it's spring.
Okay, this makes everything alright.
Pistachios, just because we're hungry. Nowruz only appears in a couple of centuries.
Yes, apparently it's the day when the equinox coincides with sunrise at a particular longitude.
We've been doing it all wrong.
No, this isn't Wikipedia, this is Iran Chamber.
read 5 chapters on it.
No, guys, in Nowruz means
For WheelLife, we will read 5 chapters.
Conspiracy theories, man, this is not Nowruz.
This is definitely
این سال نوه نوروز وقتی که اکوانوکس میفته رو sunrise.
And if you don't know, now you know, brother. Awesome, I've seen going on.
Mama, already
Margaret's eating the half scene. Dinner served. New Year's evening. Cousin cooked like a boss. Let me show you what's up. Pop bottles. Supposed to spend New Year's with family. How you spend New Year's, how you're gonna spend the rest of the year. We got some nice fish. Cheers!
Happy New Year! Cheers!
Salud! Salud, guys!
Oh my god, this is so good.
Like
Een van de traditie.
Hij zag je moeder doen, dus ik ga het ook doen.
dill rice, salad, tahdig. The price of the bunch. Wheel life, is this wheel life?